If gravity suddenly disappeared, the consequences for Earth would be catastrophic. The atmosphere, which depends on gravity to keep gases close to the planet, would start to disperse into space. This loss of air would make breathing impossible and lead to the rapid extinction of most life forms. Weather patterns would be drastically disrupted as well. Without gravity, the processes of convection that drive wind and storms would fail, eliminating precipitation and temperature regulation. This would result in a planet with extreme temperatures, as there would be no atmospheric circulation to distribute heat. Our bodies, accustomed to the pull of gravity, would undergo severe changes. Muscles and bones, which rely on gravitational resistance to maintain their strength, would weaken and atrophy over time. Blood circulation would also be affected. Without gravity, fluids would not flow properly, causing dizziness and potential organ failure. Additionally, the inner ear, responsible for balance, would be thrown into chaos, leading to disorientation and loss of coordination. Earth's oceans would begin to boil away as they would lose the gravitational force keeping them contained. The water would disperse into space, drastically changing the planet's surface and eliminating habitats for marine life. Without water, ecosystems would collapse, leading to a rapid decline in biodiversity. Even freshwater sources like lakes and rivers would be affected, further compounding the environmental crisis. The loss of gravity would also disrupt Earth's orbit around the Sun. Without the gravitational pull that stabilizes our path, the planet could drift off into space, exposing it to cosmic radiation and extreme temperature fluctuations. This would make Earth increasingly inhospitable, and life would face imminent extinction. The delicate balance of forces that maintain our solar system would be thrown into turmoil, impacting other planets and celestial bodies as well. Furthermore, the impact on agriculture would be devastating. Plants rely on gravity for processes like water uptake and nutrient distribution. Without these essential functions, crops would fail, leading to food shortages and famine. The collapse of agriculture would exacerbate the already dire situation, as people would struggle to find resources for survival. Social structures and communities would also disintegrate in the chaos. As breathable air and essential resources become scarce, conflict and panic would likely ensue. Societies would struggle to adapt to the new reality, with many people unable to cope with the physical and emotional challenges of a gravity-free existence. The loss of gravity would not only threaten physical survival but also disrupt the very fabric of human civilization. In summary, if gravity vanished, the consequences for Earth and its inhabitants would be dire. The atmosphere would disperse, weather patterns would fail, and our bodies would suffer without the familiar gravitational pull. Oceans would boil away, ecosystems would collapse, and Earth's orbit would be thrown into chaos. The loss of gravity would unravel life as we know it, leading to extinction and an unrecognizable planet.